everyone, welcome to Discover Natural. Today we're going to put Passion Twist in Eniola's hair. This is the pack of Passion Twist that we got. So this is the Toyotress Passion Twist Hair Bohemian, and it comes in the color 1B. We chose the color 1B, but it comes in different colors and different length, and this length is length 14, but it comes in different ranges of length. So please look in the description area for more. So Toyotress was generous enough to send this to us. This is the braid pattern that we have for our hair. So you can see the braid pattern, which we started going back this way, and then right in the middle I went down this way. Now if you want to see the complete tutorial on us doing this, the full tutorial, no fast forwarding, no nothing, you can click that link that just popped up to see the tutorial on how we created this passion, this crochet braid pattern. This braid pattern is excellent. So I've tucked in her hair the best way that I can because she has really thick hair. So the package comes also with a rubber band, with rubber bands, and it also comes with jewelry, hair jewelry. So if you want to use the individual rubber band method, you can. And this is the hair, how it looks like. I'm not going to separate the hair. So when we do this, we will take the hook, I'm taking it up, and then with this one I make sure that this is arranged evenly. So make sure that it's even, okay, the lengths are even, and I'm going to take my finger as if it's a crochet hook. Now I'm going to take my hand like that and slide this in. I'm going to connect this to it and pull it through our hair very gently. Once I connect it through our hair very gently, next thing I'm going to unhook this. Remember, my finger is still there, and then I'm going to take my fingers like this and then open this up, take the hair, both of them, and I'm going to loop it through, and then I'm going to tighten this onto the hair. So that will keep it secure. Now if you feel the hair will not be as secure, don't worry, it will be secure. If you notice, I'm not starting at our edges because I don't want the edges to break. And then I'm going to start twisting, and this is a passion twist. So the twists are not going to be similar to how you do normal twist. It's going to be a bit different, giving it that curly look to it. Okay, so now we've finished twisting it, and if you notice the twists are a bit wobbly, this is what makes it a passion twist. So this is what it looks like against the skin and against the hair. So the next one we're going to do, I'm just going to put two in this area. I'm going to leave it about a finger width and do the same thing. That is it, and you can see the length isn't so bad, it just stops right over there. So if she straightens up, you can see it just stops right over there, not too long. So I'm going to continue doing it, and I'll come back when we get to this section of our hair. So this is one pack of hair. This is how much one pack of hair is, and you can see I did the finger width spacing. Remember the finger width spacing? So close by you can see all the spacing. So I always first do finger width spacing first, and then I come back in and I fill it so that I'll have enough hair. Now this one here, I'm gonna fill everything in so it will be closer together, that it is close together. So now you see there's no spacing, everything is close together. So that's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna keep on doing that until we fill up this section. Then I'll go back and I'll twist up the hair, and then you'll be able to see what the hair looks. So even if you're someone that you don't want to twist up the hair, this is what it's gonna look like if we don't twist up. So it will be less like this but more fuller like this, almost as if you have a twist out. How does it smell? You're smelling it. How does it smell? It
smells like hair.
It smells like hair? Yeah, okay, so stop smelling it. Okay, so this is 3 packs already, so we're gonna turn around. You guys are gonna see what 3 packs are. So the back area is always where I struggle with. Right now I'm just trying to fill up all this area so that we have enough. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing for this area. So instead of bringing it from the side, for those areas, like this area right here. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm actually taking it at an angle going up, and that has been working well for me. So I'm taking it at an angle, making sure, of course. So, and as I'm going, I'm learning how to use this here. This here is very easy to use, very easy to use. It's not tangling so much, and just make sure that you put your finger through it, and then you pull down, and you're going downwards now. You don't want to go to the side, because if you go to the side, then it's going to look differently. So let's do another one, and then I'll twist it. Okay, so do it like this, and then we go upwards the opposite side. So I rotate the sides that I do it on. I first do it this side, and then I'm doing it the opposite side, so that everything kind of falls and doesn't have gaping holes. So we're gonna do it again. So that's this side here. Okay, and that one will fall this way. So you can see it's filling up this area like that. So we are done, and this is what the hair looks like. And yeah, so that's the length. We are looking up, look normal. So this is the length right over here. I ended up not having to add more hair over here, unless it would be like too bulky, too much hair for her. So, but she likes to stand up a little bit, so you can see this is the length of it. So it's a nice length, is bra strap. So that's 14 inches is bra strap. So what I'm gonna do is that while she's still standing, I have my scissors. I'm gonna just trim off some of the hanging hair. So there's some hair that is just hanging below over there. So I'm just gonna trim it off. So there's just some excess. So you just have to kind of do that. But apart from that, there's not much maintenance. The only thing for her to care for her hair, she'll probably just have to spray her scalp with some moisturizer, add a little bit of oil and stuff. But apart from that, it looks really good. It's really light, and okay. And so that is it. We ended up, so this is the back. I think next time when I do the back, the pattern, I'm gonna braid into the hair, instead of braiding all down and trying to connect it, because our hair is quite thick, so it was kind of a little bit bulky. Okay, so this is what she looks like. This is a look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is gonna wait for, I don't know, a month. A month or so? Yeah, a month. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll post more pictures on Instagram and Facebook. If you've not yet subscribed, feel free to
subscribe
and
like, share, and comment what you think about me. Bye.
Okay, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.